Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Fazila. Today I'm going to present RF microwave assignment. The assignment is to design, simulate and analyze the RF microwave amplifier using S parameter for FET device ATF36077 for maximum gain. For the first step, we need to know the stability of the amplifier. And to know the stability of the amplifier, we need to know the operating frequency. And for me, I was assigned with 7.0 GHz. From this operating frequency, we can know the S parameter. This is the S parameter for the 7.0 GHz. And after we know the S parameter, we can do the K delta test. And from here we get that the value of K is 0.549 and the delta is 0.403, and both of them is less than 1, so it is conditionally stable. And after that, we need to draw the stability circle of the amplifier, and to draw that, we need to know the CS, RS, CL, RL. From here, we can get that this is the stability circle for the input, and this is for the output, and the stable region is here outside the circle. Next, we move to the maximum source reflection and load reflection. I consider it is unilateral because when I use bilateral, I get that gamma S and gamma L equal to 1, and it is hard to calculate the distance and length on the Smith chart. So I consider it's unilateral, and the gamma S is 0.78 with angle 107 degree, and gamma L is 0.48 with angle 89 degree. And the maximum gain that I get considering it's unilateral is 17.208 dB, and the maximum gain if it's using bilateral, I get that 12 dB. And next, the input and output matching network for the amplifier. This is the circuit in the AWR software, and here is the value of DS 0.16, and this is for LS 0.192 that we get. And here we get the value of LS 0.134, and this is LL, and this is DL 0.216. And after I run this circuit, I get that the maximum gain is at 7 GHz is 16.4 dB, and it's close with the value of the calculation, which is 17.208 dB. So I consider this is the circuit, the simulation, the value is close with the calculation. So that's all from me. Thank you.